Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Jack at Sioux Dent Repair. So today I just wanted to talk a little bit about insurance for hail damage. So what that is so basically a lot of people have, obviously full coverage insurance on their insurance policy. So what's that actually, what's that mean? So obviously I talked in the last video talking about the different categories of insurance. So basically you've got collision, comprehensive, and then liability. So basically comprehensive is what's going to cover any type of hail damage for you there. Hey, what's up there, John? How you doing there, bud? So anyway, so comprehensive is going to cover any type of hail damage or any type of natural disaster, kind of like tree branches falling, all that kind of stuff. And people ask, okay, my car got hit with hail damage. For instance, we've been having a lot of people coming from the Rapid City area. So what do you do when you get hit with hail damage in your vehicle? Well, first off, you contact your insurance company. You notify them that you actually do have hail damage in your vehicle, and depending on the insurance company and kind of who you talk to, they're going to tell you a couple different things. So some of them say you need to get 3 different estimates from different shops. It's just not really the case anymore. That's kind of an old school thing that they don't really do anymore, because ultimately they're going to be dealing with the shop directly. So it doesn't really matter. Like going out and getting 3 different competing quotes, I guess, if you will, is not really a thing anymore, because everybody kind of works off the same system. So it's kind of a waste, in my opinion anyways. It's kind of a waste for the customer to go around and do that. So all you have to do, quite frankly, just to make it as easy as possible, is call your insurance company, get a claim number, and then contact your local repair shop. Like for instance us, we're in the Sioux Falls area, Sioux Falls Dent Repair, to handle the claim, and you literally drop the vehicle off. So we need a few signed documents that we're going to get from you at the time of the vehicle drop off. And then you can actually schedule with your rental car company. A lot of times they can even bring a rental car over to our shop here and actually pick you up in it. So you don't even have to deal with having to transport over there, pick up the car beforehand, anything like that. We've had them do that before, and it's worked really, really well. And then from there on, after you drop the vehicle off, we contact the insurance company with that claim number, because then we'll have it on file. They'll have it on file. We'll have the number in order to contact them and get the appropriate information from them. And then we submit our damage assessment basically for the vehicle. And then from there, it's them. They do processing and stuff like that internally. And then they get back to us on it, confirm everything, and then we go about the repair. So typically, with everything COVID stuff going on right now, it's definitely slowed down that process quite a bit. Prior to COVID, what they would do is when you got hail damage on your vehicle, what they would do is send out an adjuster directly to your house or to your place of work. They're looking at it outside in unfavorable conditions. That's a whole other topic I'll talk about in another video. And then they would write you a rough quote, and then when you get the vehicle repaired, they would pay for the additional amounts or anything that they missed or something like that. Because again, a person looking at a vehicle outside in unfavorable conditions, so like say direct sunlight, a white car, silver car, you're just not going to see anything. So anyways, so you can go ahead and eliminate all that with just bringing it to your local repair facility. So like us, Sioux Falls Dent Repair, and we'll go ahead and take care of all the insurance paperwork, everything like that for you, and go ahead and get your car back on the road as soon as possible. So anyways, if you have any questions or anything for us, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section. You can go ahead and reach us direct message, obviously, as well, or in the comment section as well. We'd be happy to answer any kind of questions or anything for you, but we'll be back tomorrow talking again about something else. So let me know what you want to hear. So anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.